I like this grass. It's really pretty. Can't remember the name right now. For those of you who thought you knew a few things, some of this stuff really falls into the more you know, the less you know. And I don't want to give anybody the wrong impression. So many colors of green out here. And somewhere there are two fawns, twins, probably 500 feet or 1,000 feet away. They're so tiny. I was lucky enough to see them from afar. I'm not walking back in here. During fawning season, I don't want to trip over and, of course, damage any fawns. Just want to watch the plants grow. So many sedges. Here's one. There's flowers. And then, let's see here. Some more sedges. More sedges. And it's fascinating to me how there's these dark green areas. Sometimes it's because it's a different kind of grass, but sometimes it's because something died there, maybe, and made the soil really rich. I'm not going to dig around and find out. Mostly the different colors tell you what plants they are, and that tells you a lot about soil and moisture and sun. Enjoy. I can hear birds singing, but the way the microphone is aimed, I bet you can hear the automobiles and motorcycles racing. Maybe if I turn it around. Aim at the ground and turn it around. Now I bet you can hear birds.